Hello, MHS seniors. This is Mrs. Bazinski, and I am the scholarship coordinator this year. And I want to make sure that you realize that it is officially scholarship season, and we want you to apply to as many scholarships as possible. So I want to talk about a couple ways that you will do that. So first of all, hopefully you are part of the Grads 2022 MHS scholarships. If you're not part of that Google Classroom, please join. Here's the code. Your teachers also have that code. You can drop by the Success Center to get it if you miss it here. So when you get on here, go to either the stream or the classwork, doesn't really matter. You're going to go to scholarship information if you go to the classwork, and you want to look at the scholarship opportunities. This is a listing of all of the scholarships that we are connected to through MHS. So there are many scholarships here. They are organized by due date. It also gives information up here at the top about other opportunities and other websites to use for scholarships. So check that out. So some of our scholarships are listed only here, and some of our scholarships are listed on Going Merry, but all of them are linked to either the website for the scholarship completion or to Going Merry. So as an example, I'm going to talk about the See You Later one real quickly because the due date is coming up on April 8th. So it talks about it here, and then you will click here to apply for the scholarship, and then that one has to be submitted directly to them. Okay, so I'm going to close that. If there is a scholarship that is on here, but it is also on Going Merry, I'm trying to look at one of those. Let's say the OSU Paul McGrath Scholarship. When you go to the link, you're going to see that it goes to the Going Merry website. You should all have a login to Going Merry. If you haven't been on there, it is your school login. If you search your email for Going Merry, you should have an email about it. You can come and see me in the Success Center or Mrs. Lipke or Ms. Sandoval if you cannot find it, and we'll get you connected to that. This is a location that has a lot of our local scholarships on it. So I'm going to go to my account here, Going Merry, and where you would go from the first page is you would go to scholarship list. And then over here where it says show eligible only, that's based on your profile. You do have to complete the profile if you want it to give you good matches. More importantly, I want to point out the local scholarships. You have to, if you want to show the local scholarships only so they're easy to find, you're just going to click that button, and then it's going to filter out all of the other scholarships and just show you MHS. Now, I encourage you to apply for others, but I really want you to take a look at these MHS scholarships and apply for as many as you can. So even if you have a full ride scholarship, some of these scholarships can be used for textbooks, they can be used for living expenses, etc. So I really encourage you to apply even if you have money set aside to go to college or have that full ride sitting there for you. So these are also listed by due dates. So you will see those. There's some that are coming up here soon. So I encourage you to click on them, check out whether you can qualify for them. So you just click on it. It'll have a little description about it. And then over on the right-hand side, yours will probably say start application unless you've already clicked on it. And so then you'll click on that button and have the application available to you. So we will be hosting a scholarship workshop on Monday, April 4th, and you're welcome. It's just a drop-in. If you need help with scholarships, you can come on by. Also know that you can come by the Success Center. You can ask for me, Mrs. Bazinski, or you can see Ms. Sandoval or Mrs. Lipke, and all three of us can help you with scholarships if you have questions. But again, please, please apply for scholarships. One of the disadvantages in the past couple of years with COVID is that students haven't applied for scholarships, and there's been money just sitting there that people were willing to give away and didn't because they didn't have applications. So please apply for as many as possible and come and see us if you need help. Thanks, guys.